Hey y'all, it's Torian again, coming back to you with another tutorial. Today I'll be doing a braid out on locked hair featuring products from TheDoux. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a thing. If you're already part of the tribe, stay tuned and let's try out these products. So TheDoux has a full range of products at Target and Sally Beauty. I'm really excited to try out this brand for you guys and see how they work on locked hair. I'm starting my style off with dry hair, and I probably could use another retwist as well. But that's why braid outs are good for this moment. So to get started, we're going to be using the Doux Mousse Def texture foam. I part my hair, taking like one section at a time. I'm probably going to be starting with about 4 to 5 locks per each section. So we're gonna take that Mousse Def and you're gonna apply a pretty generous amount to your section of hair. And you wanna work that all the way through to the very end. All right, so we're gonna braid it all the way down like normal. I didn't think that was anything exciting for y'all to see, just a typical 3-strand braid. I wish I could braid this fast in real life. Okay, so I'm applying just a little bit more to the ends just to make sure that that product is worked all the way throughout. And here's something special. When you get to the very end, I actually like to apply a cold wave rod just to give the ends of my hair just a little bit more volume and fullness after I take the braid out down. And I'm going to do the same exact process throughout the rest of my head until I have sections of braids with cold wave rods at the end all the way through. And like magic, we have braids. All right, so I'm just going to be finishing off that style right here. And again, applying that cold wave rod to the very end. I just feel like that gives your style just a little bit more volume and, you know, fullness that you might be trying to achieve. Dance braid. All right, so this right here is not an alien abduction device. This is actually a portable hair dryer. So I used to have one of those like white, gold, and hot hair dryers, but it stopped working. So this right here is basically a device where you can attach your hair dryer, and it helps you dry your hair a little bit faster to achieve those set styles. I love this thing. I will link the description below where I got it. All right, you get that on there. And honestly, I should have applied a shower cap. I'm sorry, I should have applied a black satin cap, but I didn't. Scroll social media, waste time.
1 hour later.
And like I said before, I left it on there for about an hour. And honestly, I went to bed with it, but I think at an hour, it really was fully dry. And we're going to be detaching that cold wave rod. Take your hair down slowly. A lot of times, styles come out a little frizzy and frumpy because we're just rushing through the process. So take your time, take down each braid. Apply some oil to your hand just so that oil can be worked throughout your hair to add a little bit more sheen. And there's one braid taken down. Just removing all those rollers first to make the braid out process a little bit quicker. I'm already liking it. I love the fullness that I'm already seeing. And let's just go ahead and take down that last braid. And there we go. Love it. So this is that braid out look. And I'm going to be coming back to talk to you guys directly in just a moment. But to finish off this style, I'm going to use one more of the Doux product. They have something called the Light. This is a heat protectant and shine enhancer. So I'm going to work that throughout my hair just to add a little bit more, you know, glossiness to where my hair doesn't look dry. It smells great. It smells like coconut almost. And yeah, I'm just gonna this is like, let your soul glow. This is my Soul Glow video. This is my audition right here. Somebody call Soul Glow. Tell them run my check, man. Okay, y'all, so here it is. I used the Doux products this time to do my braid out. The products I achieved this style with were the Mousse Def. I applied the mousse to the braids before, as you guys saw. And then after I took all of them down, I applied the There Is a Light. I applied the light to just add a little more shine and softness to my hair. And honestly, I love it, y'all. You know, when you're locked, you're really not supposed to use a lot of products, so I am really iffy on who I choose. But I can tell from what's in here, these are great products. It smells like coconut and pineapple. My hair smells great. It does not feel crunchy. It's still soft. It's not heavy. Very light curls. I don't know. Now, I have to test it against the Texas heat and humidity, but for now, I mean, this style is beautiful. Definitely check out. If you're locked, definitely check out that curl, the Doux Mousse Def Texture Foam, and the light. And this is something you could probably use daily just to add a little more shine and bounce to your Defying Lock styles. Until next time, I'll see you guys later.